Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
PSPA स्कूल धारबांदोडा तालुक्याची एक प्रायमरी टीचर आसा. आमच्या स्कुलाक तामनार प्रकल्पाद्वारे वेगवेगळे जे गरजेचे साहित्य जाय असले ते त्यांनी दिल्ल्या बद्दल हांव आमच्या शाळेच्या वतीन त्यांचे आभार मानते.
किती साहित्य दिलं तुमकां?
कॉम्प्युटर, प्रिंटर, कबर्ड्स, बेंचीस हे जे गरजेचे साहित्य असले ते दिल्ल्या बद्दल हांव त्यांचे आभार.
आमकां तेंच्यांनी ग्रीन बोर्ड दिलेले आसा, परत बेंचीस दिलेले आसा, टेबल्स, चेअर्स, ट्यूबलाइट्स आणि हे सगळ्यो गोष्टी आमकां तेंच्यांनी उपलब्ध करून दिल्या बद्दल आमी तेंचे खूब आभारी आसा आनी थँक्यू.
म्हणून सगळे जाण पळयता आसतना आमी पळयता की एक बाजू पळयता, पूण ते तमनारांतल्यान आमकां आज म्हणजे जेन्ना ते नवीन प्रोजेक्ट करपाक गेले तेन्ना त्या गांवचो विकास करपा खातीर कितें करपाक शकता हे ताणी आज हे बारीकशें हें साहित्य सगळें दिवन दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा.
डिपार्टमेंट परमिशन जातले आमचो दिनाथ बाब जो आसा तो सारको ह्या वाठाराक तामनार प्रकल्प फुडें घालपाक इंटू डावट ना, पूण CSR एक्टिविटी करपाक तो सारको इंट्रस्टेड आसा आनी कितें जाय कोणाक खंयची कंपनी काम करता ताका इंट्रस्ट जाय.
All our intention was that in a way we could support the schools, all the schools where so many students study, and they can get the basic facilities. The good infrastructure you provide to students will definitely help them to study better and become a responsible citizens for tomorrow. So in that perspective, we took help of the ministers also, just to identify the right kind of schools and what kind of infrastructure is required for them. And we collected a list of that. And in that, we also found out that one of the school required some kind of fall ceiling and those kind of arrangements. Some hall was getting constructed, so we supported that, as well as then we procured all these different items so that this can be provided to the schools, which if you have seen includes very important items like a computer or printers, which are very essential for schools, as well as the most important, some schools also had a requirement of water filters, so that are provided so students as well as teachers can have access to a clean water.